Hello, everybody. I'm the CEO and co-founder of this company. Gleamer is one of the leading company in the space. So which space? AI for radiology. So why are we a leader on this market? Because we exist since 5 years, and with just a few capital raised, we've managed to build one of the largest installed base of customer with across Europe and the US, with now 600 sites deployed. Because with only one historically commercialized product called BoneView, we've managed to make 6 million in ARR, and we did this with a small team of 4 sales on average over a 3 years period of commercialization. And we recently went from a mono-product company to a multi-product company because we started to cross-sell 3 new products with the current trading, which is now way above our initial expectation. And now we are raising a 20 million euro Series B to do what? To expand our business, meaning expand our product portfolio and scale up our commercial machine. So I won't be too long on this, but you probably know that AI is becoming progressively the new standard of care in radiology for a lot of reasons. The first use case, which is clearly identified, is AI companion over the shoulder of radiologists, helping them in their daily routine. And what we are building is precisely this AI companion. So our mission, our product statement mission is quite straightforward finally. What we want to build is the most comprehensive AI companions which makes radiologists faster and more accurate in their daily routine. So what our AI companions look like? First, they are all first-line product. We don't do niche examination. We go for the volume. We go for mammography. We go for chest X-ray. We go for traumatology. Why? Because in 3 years, once we complete our product roadmap development, which started 5 years ago, with our 10 products, then we'll be able to cover 70% of radiologist routine, and we can become the #1 AI provider. Expert level, we don't know Gleamer product goes live until it hasn't outperformed generalist radiologist performances and reach expert level performances. And we have published clinical data on this. It is the basis, the DNA of our strong and recognized medical brand. And finally, seamless, meaning we don't bring any new viewer, we don't bring any new environment. All our solutions are integrated in what we call the PACS, which is the software used by radiologist department to store and to view images. So a very quick and simple demonstration here. On the left part of the screen, you have to figure out a radiologist looking at bone trauma X-rays. What they have to do right now is looking at all the cortex line and looking for 4 or 5, maybe more projection, looking for a subtle anomaly. So with BoneView, the job is automatically and previously done. And what they see finally is bounded box around suspected lesion plus a report at the end of the examination directly written in the patient's file in the PACS. The way they use that, they save time and they are way more confident in their diagnosis. A few technical details about this product. It is C certified and FDA cleared. And we recently got an FDA clearance for pediatric population. Historically, it was only for adults. And it is quite new that the FDA gives FDA clearance for adult application, for children application, I'm sorry. It is a high-performing product because we proved several times that we reduced by 30% the false negative rates, meaning the missed fracture rates, which is high, and we reduced by at least 30% the reading time per procedure, meaning it does what we think it should do, like it reduces the reading time and it increases the diagnostic accuracy. It is a scientifically recognized product with 8 publications in peer-reviewed journals, 2 of which in radiology, and we recently been awarded. We received the Alexander Margulis Award, which is the award for the best paper in radiology of the year. And we have a proven return on investment of multiple 4 for private imaging players, which is based on two pillars, finally, the time saved plus the additional examination, which are done due to the fact that radiologists are catching more fractures. And it's maybe not massively, but largely adopted with a fast growing adoption. So with only this product, we've managed to build a strong company right now with an ACV of 20K, a gross margin of 85% right now, 6 million in signed ARR, a 3-time year-over-year growth of our revenues, and a CAC payback of 11 months. And we recently received an award from Ant Mini as the best new radiology vendor in our space. We started to really internationalize our business, and now half of our revenue, more than half of our revenues, are made outside of France. We are present in 20 countries, and all the countries in dark is where we have our own salespeople on the ground, and for the rest of the country, we rely on a strong network of distributors to penetrate these markets. So who are these distributors? All the blue chip names. We work with Philips, we work with Siemens, and we also work with all the new entrance marketplaces such as AIDoc, Deepsea, Ferrum, and so on. So now the plan is quite clear for us, it's straightforward. We are going to expand our product portfolio with 6 new products that we are going to launch in the next 3 years. We are starting to have advanced discussion with potential M&A targets in order to speed up our product roadmap development. And we are going to scale our commercial machine, going from 16 people overall right now to 35 people in the sales department. So now, how do we reach the 50 million in committed ARR by the end of 2025? Quite simple, not simple, but the mechanics is simple. First, client acquisition. We have today almost 1,000 opportunities in our pipe that we are going to convert with all the, finally, the conversion rates, which are historical and which we know well. And we are going to look for 1,000 new opportunities in the next 3 years, with this time a way scaled up sales team. Plus the ACV expansion, meaning as we are going to go from 1 commercialized product to 10 commercialized products, we are betting on a multiple 2 on our current ACV to reach 50K of ACV on our installed base. So this is our clear plan to become one of the leading companies in this space by 2025. Thank you very much.